How to watch multiple channels on YouTube TV Multiview. Step 1. Start playing any live channel. Open YouTube TV and start playing any live channel on your TV. Step 2. Open the Multiview Builder. Press the down button on your remote, then look for the Multiview icon or the Watch Multiview option and select it. Step 3. Pick your channels. Select the Add to Multiview option and pick up to 4 live streams of your choice. Channels are grouped into helpful categories like sports, news, TV shows, and movies to make finding content easier. Step 4. Confirm and watch. Confirm your layout and all 4 streams will play simultaneously on one screen. Step 5. Switch to full screen. Use the directional pad on your remote to highlight the view you want to go full screen, then press the select button to expand it. Step 6. Return to Multiview. Press the back button on your remote to exit full screen and return to the Multiview layout. Note: as of 2026, Multiview is fully customizable. You can combine any 4 live channels, whether that's a game, breaking news, a show, and live weather all on one screen.